So we're back again. I've just cut out this bottom section. It had a bit of rust and pitting. It was probably on the point where it didn't need to be cut out, but just for the sake of you going to this effort, you may as well. So I've cut out a new section. So just through here, I'll clamp it into position. Can you pass me my goggles? No, the blue thing. Thanks. Oh, yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just do a little bit of a tack weld here, just to hold it in position. Okay, so that's held in position. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not a very good welder, I've only just started, so I've been practicing on 3mm, which is very easy to weld. This is 1.6, so it's, you know, not that hard to weld either, but a different technique. So here we go. I'll start from the middle so I can go out. That's better. I was welding opposite hand. So the weld's a lot better that way. So that's pretty average welding, but I'll grind it back and I'll get a better flow. It's awkward trying to film it. I'm welding in a position that I find difficult to weld in. I'm weld from the right to the left. So yeah, but you can see the difference. That's that there. It was all pitted and shithouse. So at least that's going to be cut out and welded nicely. I've got to get in here and clean it out. I'll get a wire wheel in there, I'll deoxidize I've used to in the past use that red oxidised paint, and I was told they don't do it anymore, which I don't think that's true. But or 2K it or something else. Like, I'll go to the paint shop and tell them what I've got and work it from there. But yeah, the other thing I noticed too, because I'm doing the inner sill first, from the aftermarket ones they sell pretty much come straight to here, and that's it. Well, the sill goes back 20 mil for about 1200, and then it starts to taper in. So, and even all this, I was looking at this is all, steel's okay, but for the effort of panel beating it and rubbing it back and getting rid of all these rivets and filling in the rivet holes, it's probably easier to just cut out 20 mil back, do a nice new angle on there, and once it's grinded back and painted, you shouldn't be able to tell any difference, so it should be all nice. And it comes to the point where, why not do it when you've come this far? So, and today also I've trial fitted back the piece I cut off yesterday that goes right along here, the scuttle, and it fits up nicely. So I just wanted to double check just to see that there was no movement. So I had to do a bar at the front to stop any warpage or whatever, because I realised I got rid of this centre point here. So yeah, I'll do another video shortly.